Welcome woodpeckers, Martin Jensen here, and today we are fixing my outdoor workshop because this thing won't take winter. I made it as a makeshift thing for summer and rain, so now we need to winterize it and put a real good roof on it and bigger support beams. So this will be a time-lapse project, so hang on. I live in a strictly regulated area, meaning I don't want to pour concrete everywhere to set down my support beams. I know these punch-in metal things is the weak spot, and I built this structure so I can jack it up and do something about it if it starts to sink. I will also address the grass flooring next summer, and as winter is approaching, I have to throw it up quickly, but I believe it will set just fine. As a child, I watched as my father built our house together with some friends, and I think that was the day he became God in my eyes. For many years after, I wondered about how you really build a house. All the steps, I had seen some of it, but the knowledge of how had eluded me. I think I was around 9 years old back then, and as the years went by, I pondered about this. Not until my 30s did I start uncovering the how-tos behind it. This lightweight outdoor extension here touches on some of the principles of constructing a house, though it is a hybrid halfway house. Guess what? I forgot my camera outside this night, so today I'll have to film a bit with my GoPro instead. This is a tar-based product we call beis in Norway.
I've been here before, familiar with the view. This ain't nothing new. And every time that you walk through the door, I'm hit by the same old tide, blinded by the lights, and I'm going through changes, but it's easier with you. I'm going through changes, and so are you. I live for the moments when you're around me,
found all my windows for free. Here in Norway they throw away old windows that still have good working glass in them. I just take them out of the frame. These are double layered, so it will keep the heat in on cold days. In all these metal brackets I have about an inch of gravel, so the lumber won't be in contact with the moist ground. All posts are impregnated wood.
I'm a rolling stone, bound to roam. Come the morning, or I'll be gone.
This is a mouse band. It keeps them away from the insulation.
Wanna hear that train? There she comes. Won't you get on? Won't you get on? Trees, falling leaves, like the breeze, won't you blow on? Take a sip, I'ma pack my grip. One more trip, and I'ma move on. Across the track, don't look back. All the jack, won't you roll on? City lights, what blinds your eyes? Don't look twice. Go on. I was walking out one evening late. The moon was rising high, headed for the riverside. Around us fuss and fight. Patrolman, he walked by, asked me where I'm going. Said if the sun set on me there, I'd never make it home. He said, don't go downtown tonight, there's trouble on the drive. The Batman in the shadows, and they're bound to take your life. If you mind to ramble, I'll tell you how I do. Keep your money in your your pocket than the razor you shoot. Slipping silent through the creek, the hounds to lose my scent. I went up a tree and I watched them turn, wondering where I went. I take a rest, I hold my breath, I let it simmer down. I climb too high in my wandering eye, spied the lights of town. He said, don't go downtown tonight, there's trouble on the ride. The bad men in the shadows, oh, they're bound to take your life. But if you mind to ramble still, I tell you how to do. Keep your money in your pocket, boy, and the razor you shoot.
Here is the ugly truth for most joints. I don't have the time really. I use glue and screws a lot. It works too.
Have you ever had the feeling where you've just been doing the same project for so long that you're getting pretty tired of it? Well, that's where I am right now.
Well, I don't go downtown tonight, there's trouble on the rise. Bad men in the shadows is bound to take your life. But if you mind to ramble still, I'll tell you how to do. Keep your money in your pocket, boy, and a razor in your shoe. Keep your money in your pocket, son, and a razor in your shoe.
The outside is finally complete and I will do the inside in another video. Just check out these cool doors and how they open. I will have to adjust the doors a bit closer to summer, but the function you can see, there's gonna be big loads coming through that door. I have a lot of muffins in the oven, but it was just great bagging this project up. The inside job will be a hoot compared with the outside. And as we are rushing in on Christmas 2020, Corona has been a bummer and I have just one video left on the year. I will use that one to sum up the year and talk about what is to come. It will actually hit the woods on the 30th of December, so ring the bell and hit the sub if you have not done it yet. See you soon.